These are the equations of motion. These are the four basic ones. S equals ut plus a half at squared. V squared equals u squared plus 2as. V equals u plus at. S equals v plus u over t, 2 times t. S is for displacement. U is initial velocity. T is time. A is acceleration. And v is final velocity. And this is the way we're going to use them. We've got a question over here. It says, a body starts from rest, moves for 10 seconds, and accelerates at 2 meters per second. What is its displacement? We're trying to figure out, knowing that it starts from rest and accelerates for 2 meters per second for 10 seconds, how far has it gone? We want to know what the displacement is. So the first thing I do is write down V, U, A, T, and S. These are the 5 things that appear in any one of these equations of motion. You notice that each one of these equations has something missing from it. So S equals ut plus a half at squared doesn't have final velocity. It has everything else though. So this will help us decide which equation to use. So we go through. V for this, we don't know. U, well, it starts from rest, so U is 0. A is 2 meters per second squared, so that's 2. It moves for 10 seconds, so I can put 10, and the displacement we don't know. So we'll go through. We can't use an equation with V in it, because we don't know what that is. So we can discount this one, we can discount this one, and we discount this one. Now it only leaves us with one equation. So now you can get rid of this. And now we can work it out. The displacement of this is u times t, but this is 0 times 10. So we can get rid of this. We don't need this in there. Half times 2, which is the acceleration, which is 2, times 10, which is the time, squared. So S equals, get rid of this, a half times 2 times 10 squared, which is 100. A half times 2 is 1. 1 times 100 equals 100. This is always going to be in meters, because the acceleration is in meters per second squared. So moving at 2 meters per second squared, for 10 seconds, I'll go 100 meters. And those are the equations of motion.